Which wall-mounted chin-up bar is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Ally Peaks Pull-Up Bar. First up is the Ally Peaks Pull-Up Bar. Priced at $27.99, this one caught my eye mainly because of its impressive 440 pounds weight limit and the fact that it's a bestseller. If you're looking for a sturdy and reliable option for your home workouts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The heavy-duty construction using 1.7 thickened steel makes it not just durable, but it also enhances safety during workouts. With multi-grip handles that are foam-coated, you can switch up your grip for different exercises without worrying about slipping. The upgraded silicone protection for your door frame means you won't have to stress about damaging your walls. It's designed to fit doorways between 24 to 32 wide, making it highly adaptable for most homes. Now, some people complained about the installation process, saying it was tricky to secure in some door frames. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the instructions carefully, it should hold tight. It's a deal breaker for those who prefer a no-fuss setup, but for many, the performance outweighs the initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a portable, easy-to-use chin-up bar that doesn't take up much space. Skip this one if you're looking for something mounted to a wall or ceiling, though considering the price, it's definitely a solid value. Now, if the Ally Peaks installation concerns bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, FitArc Joist Mount Pull-Up Bar. Next is the FitArc Joist Mount Pull-Up Bar, retailing for $35.99. What grabbed my attention here is its heavy-duty steel construction designed specifically for joist mounts. If you're serious about your fitness game, this one's worth considering. Why? This pull-up bar targets multiple muscle groups and has a sturdy structure that ensures stability during your workouts. The non-slip handle is comfortable and helps you maintain your grip, meaning you can focus on your performance rather than worrying about slipping off. It's designed to be installed on solid joists, ensuring that it won't fall or loosen during intense workouts, a crucial factor for safety. Now, some users found the mounting instructions a bit lacking, which can be frustrating. But honestly, if you're somewhat handy, you should be able to figure it out fairly quickly. If you're not, it might take some trial and error, which could be a deal breaker for less experienced users. This is perfect for you if you have the right setup and want something that feels professional and sturdy. Skip this if you plan to mount it on drywall, as it won't work safely. Overall, it's a solid investment for a home gym. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want versatility in their workouts. Product number 3, Luckione Multifunctional Pull-Up Bar. Coming in at $79.95, we have the Luckione Multifunctional Pull-Up Bar. I was impressed with its heavy-duty steel construction that claims to support up to 440 pounds. If you're looking for a multifunctional piece of equipment, this might be your best bet. This one not only allows pull-ups but also supports chin-ups, leg raises, and even boxing training. With a quick 5-minute assembly, it's designed for those who want to hit the ground running. The solid steel hooks and non-slip grips mean you can get the most out of your workouts without worrying about quality. Plus, it's designed for concrete or solid brick walls, ensuring a secure fit. However, a few users have mentioned that it may not be suitable for hollow walls, which could limit where you can install it. But here's the thing, if you have the right wall type, you're golden. If your walls are not suitable, this might not be the best choice for you. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive workout tool that can handle multiple exercises. Skip this one if your installation surface isn't ideal, but in terms of value, it's a great option. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle extreme workouts, this next product could be just what you need. Product number 4, Yes4 All-Wall Mounted Pull-Up Bar. Next up is the Yes4 All-Wall Mounted Pull-Up Bar, priced at $37.99. This one is definitely worth a look if you're after solid, no-nonsense construction for your home gym. The heavy-gauge steel and black powder coating ensure durability while preventing rust. This bar supports up to 300 pounds and includes foam-padded grips that are comfortable and prevent slipping during workouts. It's designed for standard stud spacing, which makes installation straightforward and quick. This means you can put it up and start working out within minutes. However, some users pointed out that they experienced issues with the foam grips wearing down over time. I'll be real with you, while they are comfy at first, they may not hold up with heavy use. It's something to consider if you plan on using the bar frequently. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and efficient way to get stronger at home. Skip this if you want something that offers a wider range of grip options. For the price, it delivers solid value. Alright, let's move on to the last product, which brings something unique to the table. Product number 5, JustGym Wall Mounted Pull-Up Bar. Finally, we have the JustGym Wall Mounted Pull-Up Bar, available for $75.99. This one caught my attention with its impressive 500 pounds capacity and adjustable depth. If you're serious about strength training, you'll want to hear about this. It features a rugged steel construction that promises stability even during intense workouts. The adjustable depth options of 19 or 27 allow you to customize your workout experience, whether you're doing standard pull-ups or more advanced techniques like muscle-ups. Plus, it comes with all the necessary hardware for easy installation on a solid wall. However, some users have found the design a bit bulkier than expected, which could be an issue for those with limited space. But honestly, if you're looking for something that can handle a serious workout, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a high-capacity pull-up bar that supports various exercises. Skip this if space is a concern, but for what it offers, it's a great investment for home workouts. To wrap things up, we covered the Ally Peaks for its portability, the FitArc for its sturdy mount, the LuckyOwn for multifunctional use, the Yes 4All for a budget-friendly option, and the JustGym for its heavy-duty construction. Each has its strengths, so think about what you really need. Happy training!